This brief video walkthrough shows you how to set up a data table in Excel. Again, the first step will be building an Excel worksheet that links our yellow calculated values to our green input fields. Once we've done that, we can pick a variable of interest. And let's say that we choose that we would to find out about how net operating income is affected by changing the level of sales. So the first step then, after we've set up our worksheet, is to set up an area where we will have our data table. At the top of our data table, we will link each of our columns to the level of net operating income. This one's for Fox, so just equals C17. For the next one, we're going to want to pick up D17, which was the level of sales, net operating income for Beyonce. What we're going to do then within this blue shaded area is we're going to calculate the net operating income given various levels of sales. To do that, we highlight the area that includes the top row, the two variables that we wanted to calculate, and it includes the column of various levels of sales. So we highlight the range from cell B20 all the way through cell D24. The next step is to go up to our top menu bar and select Data, and then come over to WhatIf Analysis. Click on What If, and we're going to come down to Data Table. We're going to have a choice between row input cells or column input cells. In our case, the data that we're going to want to insert is in a column. We don't need to tell it where that column is because we've done so by highlighting or including that in the range we've highlighted. What we want to tell Excel to do is take the data in this column and go ahead and insert it in the cell D7, which is sales, and calculate the various levels of net operating income. Now, Excel goes ahead and completes our data table, and you can see that at our current level of sales, $800,000 in sales, our data table does give us the exact numbers that we had above. And we can see from this how changing the level of sales, the left-hand column, will impact both companies' net operating income.